The year is 1615 in coastal Japan. A fisherman grills a fresh-caught mackerel over charcoal, brushing it with a sweet, savory reduction of soy sauce and mirin that glistens in the firelight. That is the origin of teriyaki. Today, two masters of Japanese cuisine are here to show us how to create the perfect, authentic teriyaki salmon, from the four-ingredient sauce to the shatteringly crispy skin.
Yes, teri means shine, and yaki means grill. The authentic sauce is pure, no garlic, no ginger. That is a later Hawaiian-American addition. For true Japanese style, you need 1/2 cup or 120 milliliters of Japanese soy sauce like Kikkoman or Yamasa. You also need 1/2 cup, 120 milliliters of mirin, 1/4 cup or 60 milliliters of sake, and 3 tablespoons, which is 45 grams of brown sugar. Only these 4.
The technique for the sauce is simple but important. You simmer these 4 ingredients over medium heat. Let it reduce by half, about 5 to 7 minutes, until it can coat a wooden spoon. For the fish, a 6-ounce or 170-gram skin-on fillet is best. The most critical step for crispy skin is to pat it completely dry with a paper towel. No moisture. This is the key.
After the skin is very dry, you prepare the fillet. Season only the flesh side with kosher salt. Let it rest at room temperature for about 15 minutes so it cooks evenly. Then, with a sharp knife, make 2 shallow cuts across the skin. This is a small but very important step to prevent the skin from curling up when it hits the hot pan. It helps the skin stay flat for a perfect sear.
Now, the sear. Use a cast iron pan over medium-high heat, around 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. Add 1 tablespoon of neutral oil. Place the salmon skin side down. You must hear a strong scissor. Immediately press the fillet down with a spatula for 10 seconds. This ensures full contact. Then, do not touch it. Let it sear for 3 to 4 minutes, undisturbed, to build that crisp crust.
When the skin is crisp, you flip the salmon. Sear the flesh side for just 2 to 3 minutes. Now it is time for the glaze. Do not pour it over the top. Instead, pour 3 or 4 tablespoons of the reduced sauce into the pan around the fish. Let it bubble for 30 to 60 seconds. Then use a spoon to continuously baste that bubbling sauce over the top of the salmon. This creates the beautiful teri shine.
For perfect moist salmon, temperature is everything. Use a thermometer. We want an internal temperature of 52 degrees Celsius or 125 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. The fish continues to cook from residual heat, so you must remove it from the pan. Let it rest for 2 minutes before you serve it. This step is not optional. It allows the juices to settle back into the fish, making it tender.
For serving, we use a donburi bowl with Japanese short grain rice like Koshihikari or Calrose. Remember to rinse the rice until the water is clear, then soak it for 30 minutes before cooking. Place the hot rice in the bowl, then the salmon on top. It must be skin side up to stay crispy. Spoon any remaining glaze over and garnish with 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds and 2 tablespoons of thin-sliced scallions.
That is a truly restaurant-quality dish, made right. Your 3 takeaways for perfect teriyaki salmon. First, the authentic Japanese sauce is just 4 simple ingredients: soy sauce, mirin, sake, and sugar. Second, for incredibly crispy skin, you must pat the fillet completely dry. And third, glaze by spoon basting the sauce from the pan directly onto the fish. My deepest thanks to our Tokyo-trained chef and our Osaka technique-focused chef for their mastery.